I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying ports and intent. Determine which laptop will act as the display and which will send video. Once done, confirm whether the target laptop actually has an HDMI in. Most do not. If it lacks HDMI in, make sure you have an HDMI capture card or a USB-C dock that supports DisplayPort Alt mode. Plug in power to capture devices and docks first. Then connect the HDMI cable to the sending laptop's HDMI out so you're ready for the next step. Now connect the cable. Plug the HDMI out from your source laptop into the HDMI in port or into the HDMI in of the capture device attached to the receiving laptop. Next, install and open the capture drivers or the dock's display drivers so the receiving laptop recognizes the feed. Once it appears, open projection or capture software and select the HDMI device as input. Make sure to set the correct resolution and refresh rate. Matching native resolution reduces scaling artifacts and input lag. Finish by choosing how you want the second screen to behave. Extend or duplicate in your display settings, then fine-tune scaling so text and UI are legible. If you see latency or poor image quality, lower the resolution or refresh rate, or switch to a direct USB-C video path if available. That reduces compression and lag. If nothing shows, make sure the HDMI cable and capture device are powered and the receiving software is set to the correct input. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.